I started by saying that we have a deposit scheme which is a pay box mandate. It is just simply supposed to pay. It doesn't have examination powers. Now, that I think is a significant shortfall in as well, because if you look at the law, under section 64E of the law, one of the means by which the scheme may deny membership or may cause a membership of a bank or specialized deposit-taking institution to cease is where the scheme comes to the conclusion that that company, the affairs of the bank or specialized deposit-taking institution, is being conducted in a manner that is detrimental to the interests of that bank or specialized deposit-taking institution, or to the interests of depositors of that bank. Now, I think that is very, very important. If you have the power to make such a determination, then you should have the power to make the examination to reach that conclusion. Now, if you look at the law, under section 38 of the law, the corporation has to rely on the examination of the Bank of Ghana to reach that conclusion. I think this is wrong. The examination should be done independently. It should have its own independent powers because it is protecting premiums contributed by other banks. It should therefore have its own independent examination powers to make this determination. Now, I have certain questions that is based on this. Now, why does the corporation need the approval of the Bank of Ghana before it reaches a conclusion that a member's affairs are not being conducted in a manner that is in the interest of the scheme or the bank itself? It should reach that conclusion independently. Now, the second one is that because the corporation doesn't have independent powers, how is it able to reach that conclusion that a membership of a bank should cease because that bank is conducting its business in a risky manner? The third one is that if you look at the scheme, the premium structure of the scheme is actually allowed, as I said, within 3 years' time, to start imposing risk-weighted premiums. Now, to impose risk-weighted premiums, you need to conduct independent examination of the banks to determine those premiums. Now, in this case as well, it has to rely on the Bank of Ghana. This is why my concern that this entity may see itself as an adjunct of the Bank of Ghana and a department of the Bank of Ghana.